Welcome back. Now, the University of Toledo is right in the thick of its Day of Giving campaign, and what's more giving than helping people in need of health care? It's where the community care clinics come into play. Now, with us, we have this afternoon Aya and Avery telling us more about it. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Of course. Now, honestly, tell me a little bit about the clinic.
So the clinic was founded in 2010 when our founding physician, Dr. Richard Pat, went overseas after the earthquake in Haiti. So he was helping there, came back here with a team of providers, and realized you don't have to go very far to see that there's a lot of people in need or in our own community. So that's when we were established in 2010 through the School of Medicine at the University of Toledo and a team of providers. And we've grown ever since. So we have 12 different clinics a month at 5 different sites a month. So it's really wonderful. We've been able to ingrain ourselves in the community and get to know everyone and be able to help.
Now, is this something that folks would have to, excuse me, am I paying for this? Are you paying for this? Are you paying for this? What's happening?
No, so the really wonderful thing that we're so proud of, and that's really important when it comes to donations and everything and fundraisers, is that everything is covered. So we don't take insurance information. When you walk in the doors, you're able to get something from a work physical to a school physical, all the way to addressing if you have lumps, bumps, certain concerns of your health. You can address those all there. We have in-house labs, so we're able to do like A1Cs and metabolic panels for things like diabetes or hypertension, and actually medications that are also, again, covered completely, no insurance information, on months basis. So we're able to control either chronic diseases or things like infections. And if we can't do it there, we try doing referral services, and those try to be cost reduced.
Now, Avery, because she's too positive. Now, what happens if, because sometimes I'm just not comfortable, because I've been told, and sometimes it seems like every time somebody goes to the doctor, they come back sick, which is technically not the case, but it always feels like an unfair correlation. How can I be convinced to go, I guess, to the clinic?
Yeah, so since we're a completely free service, we invite anyone and everyone, even if you have insurance, you're more than welcome to come and get seen. We have student teams that'll come in and see you first. So we have clinical students, so our 3rd and 4th year medical students, along with those of us that are 1st and 2nd year. We have PAs, nursing students, everyone. It's a collaborative effort to be seen. And then we kind of have that conversation with the provider and talk about what we want to address today. So whether that's just having labs done to screen for just making sure everything's okay, or giving you medications if something comes up. We just want to see what's best for you and then have you come back in a week or 2 and make sure everything's working out for you.
Now, ladies, we talked about the Day of Giving campaign. Are you giving me money? What's happening here?
So the Day of Giving is run through the University of Toledo Foundation, and it is a wonderful campaign since we're completely funded by fundraisers or donors or grants that people in the community can kind of give back to us, so we're able to continue providing that medical service. So this year we have a goal of $5,000 over the next 36 hours, and so that runs until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening, and every dollar that's donated to our clinic in turn is $81 in free health care for this community right here in Toledo. So your $5 donation is going to turn into an over $400 impact when you donate to us. So all you have to do is go to give.utoledo.edu and then specify that you want to make your donation to the community care clinics, and that'll go to help people right here in our community get the care that they need.
How does it feel to be a part of something that definitely is doing a massive positive impact for the community that you live in, that you are constantly surrounded by every day?
Oh, it's an absolute privilege. I know I can speak for the both of us in saying that. It's really a huge honor, and I think it plays into why we wanted to go into the medical profession and why our healthcare colleagues who work with us in the community care clinic want to go into healthcare as well. Because when it comes down to it, being able to come here and yes, get the knowledge from the books, that's really, really important, but work with our community and know our neighbors and know them on such a personal level really means a lot. So it grants you an experience that no book could ever give us.
Yeah, and I know being from the Toledo area, it is just such a wonderful thing to be able to give back to a community that's, raised me and made me who I am, and continue doing that back for them.
All right, so one more time, because of course we're just going to head and shamelessly push how you want to help, because again, it's all free. How can we get in contact with you, and then what should we do if we want to donate?
Yeah, so if you think you or someone else could benefit from our services, feel free to visit utcommunitycare.org or email the email on the screen there, and you'll be able to talk with one of us, and we'll be able to provide you more information. If you feel inclined to donate and support our cause, please go to give.utoledo.edu, and then you'll click the Give Now button. And under designation, just make sure you say CommunityCare Clinics so that the money will go towards us helping people in need.
Ladies, thank you so much for taking the time. You know what you need to do, and for